Hi everyone. So I have looked at the card sort that you guys did on Desmos, and I've anonymized it so you can't see who has done what here. But you can see that everyone still is missing something on that first card sort question. And not all of you have gone, only a couple of you have gone on to do the other questions. So I want to talk to you for a minute about the card sort function, and then I want you to make sure you come back and work on these other questions if you can. So if we look here, we can see that some people have logged in and haven't really sorted the cards at all, and then some of you have tried to sort them and there's something going wrong. So if we look at this one, for instance, we can see that the cards have been sorted here, but that there's something wrong with them. And so for instance here, I would point you to looking very carefully at how you sort these two. And this is not saying that either of them was wrong in this case, but this is where I've seen the most mistakes happen. So in this one and this one, the two about the class of ninth graders, that's one you have to be very careful about where you put each of those. And then the other one is these two graphs that look very similar, but are actually different in a fairly important way. So there, and then there could be other problems here as well. So I want you to come back and really work with your group on this one. There's a lot of good discussion that can happen here, and really work with your group and make sure you're looking for the key feature of a function, which is that for every input there is exactly one output, whether it's given in narrative form or symbolic or graphical, which we have all three of here. So make sure you're looking for every input and that we have exactly one output. So I'd like you to come back and try on this one again and talk to your group and see if you can figure out how to sort these cards. After that, you can see that we have some people have come in and tried this later one. Again, there's some help here that you might want to go back to your card sort function after you tried question 2 and 3. And then for number 4, you want to look at sketching a graph. So you want to sketch a graph that's going to be tricky for your classmate to figure out whether it's a function or not. So I'd like you to talk about this in your groups and then try again on this one. Okay, thanks guys.